Everyone, this is Sakshi and today is day 27th of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic and that's too important, that is prioritize yourself. In this world where not all relations are real, not all smiles are real, everything are fake, we prioritize others than ourselves. That's not good thing, right? I have chosen this random topic today. It suddenly hit my mind that in college, what I used to do, I used to prioritize others than myself. What they say, I used to say yes, yes, yes. I was not learned to say no, and we should learn to say no because it is really important in our life to say no. We should inculcate the habit of saying no because when we'll say yes always to people, they will take us for granted. So we should understand that. And in this world where not everything is real, some smiles are fake, some relationship are fake, we cannot trust blindly with others. And I'm saying this also. Apart from that, we should always prioritize ourselves because we are given this life by God, and we have to survive for ourselves, not for others. We should always try to be happy for ourselves. I know it's some good people are rare who prioritize others and they feel happy for others, but in this fake world not every people are real. So we should understand who are real, who are fake. For that, I am saying that we should prioritize ourselves. We should prioritize our own things. Suppose I want my career to boom. So what should I do? I should prioritize my career. Than other things like scrolling social media or saying friends to yes I will come for a party. So this is wrong thing. We should prioritize ourselves first, our important thing first. Then only we will able to succeed in life. So main point of choosing this topic was that in this fake world I am seeing everyone, what they do is they use innocent people very much. Like in college when I was there, I was really innocent. I'm not means I'm not appreciating myself, but I'm saying that in college, during college days, what girls used to do, they used to say that can you prepare my assignment, can you prepare my project. So I was not able to say no at that time, so it was very wrong thing, right? And my I was more focusing on other things than my study, so it was not good for me because prioritizing yourself is really important in this world where people are so selfish, they are so egoist or egotist. They don't know what other people think. They think what their mind goes for. So we should also do like that only. We should also think what our mind, what our heart desire for, not with what, not for what other think, what other will think. We should not think that. We should prioritize always ourselves. We should always think about ours then others. I'm not saying that you become harsh or you become rude. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that you become polite, kind also. But you have to, with being kind, you have to prioritize yourself. So that was the main motive of my video. So from conclusion I will say that, dear friend, please prioritize yourself. Please give some time to yourself. Please spend time with yourself. I know you spend time with others very well, but you are not spending time yourself. So you should spend time with yourself. So I think that you are liking my video, and if you are liking my video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe. And please comment down which topic should I make because it's really challenging for me to choose new topic every day. Actually, I was studying, then I suddenly this idea came in mind that prioritize yourself would be a better topic. So I chose it to speak. So if you are liking my video, I will request you all to please like, share, subscribe and comment. So I think that you all like my video. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Stay healthy and happy always.